All right, guys, we're here on a Thursday.
Yes.
And that's weird. Have we ever been here on a Thursday?
Probably. But who's keeping track?
Yeah. So we're here, short and sweet today. We got a giveaway. We've got 2 Radium Engineering fuel rail kits. Now, one of these is for the SR20DET S14, S15 motor. And the other is for an S13, S14 KA24DE. Now, these are motor specific. Now, if you're looking for an aftermarket fuel rail, you want to swap over to some top feed injectors, do cool things with your car, because SRs and KAs are cool. All you got to do is subscribe and comment on the video. And do us a favor and like it, because if you don't like it and you entered the giveaway, Tom's going to figure out a way to block you.
Yeah.
But for real, all you got to do is comment. You got to be 18. You got to be, you know, you got to be a subscriber.
Why do they have to be 18?
Just because I want them to be.
You're just trying to make it sound legal. So these things are not cheap. You can look them up at their website, Radium. Made in the USA.
Yeah.
They look awesome.
Yeah, they're super nice. And there's a bunch of anodized green hardware pieces in here. And these kits, I mean, they come with...
They're complete.
They come with the things, all the things you need. Yeah, so the SR kit goes for $289. The KA kit goes for $220.
But we're just giving them away. We got one of each.
Yeah, one of each. So,
like, subscribe, comment,
and
tell your friends.
Not this Friday, but next Friday, we will announce the winner.
If I live in Australia, can I enter the contest?
Heck yeah.
If I live in Belgium, Germany.
Yeah, but here's the deal. If we ship you something and you're international and you want a giveaway and it comes back, we're moving on. We're going to do another giveaway.
Yeah, and if you live in a country where there's like weird customs taxes, you got to pay those. We're not paying them.
Yeah.
We're giving you free stuff. So
get in the comments, hit subscribe, like the video, check us out on Friday.
Look at yesterday's video. It's awesome.
Yeah, you can watch videos from yesterday and then you can watch the video that comes out tomorrow. And you'll just feel like, you know...
You've been hanging out with us for 3 days.
And you're like, I need a break from those guys. Thank God it's Saturday. Okay, bye.